In today's fast-paced digital world, maintaining seamless performance for your software is crucial for business success. At Impressico, we understand that software maintenance doesn't end with development. In fact, it's just the beginning. Our dedicated team of software maintenance experts ensures your applications continue to perform optimally, so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. With over 25 years of experience across various industries, we're specialists in troubleshooting, upgrading, and fine-tuning your software to meet evolving business needs. Outsource your software maintenance to Impressico and benefit from our long-term, cost-effective, and time-saving solutions. Our services allow you to leave the technical upkeep to us while you drive innovation. We've been trusted by global conglomerates and local software vendors alike. Our real-time support and robust maintenance services keep your systems running smoothly, removing the burden from your busy shoulders. Impressico, where we ensure your software never stops performing. Contact us today and keep your software running efficiently with Impressico.